Ever wondered how to make your space feel more romantic and festive for Valentine's Day? Well, wonder no more. Valentine's Day is the perfect occasion to express your love and affection. And what better way to do this than to transform your space into a haven of love and warmth? Decorating your space for this special day can bring so much joy and excitement. It's not only about the aesthetic appeal, but also about the fun and fulfillment that comes with the process of creating these decorations yourself. And the best part? It's super easy and affordable. You don't need to break the bank to make your space look and feel special. With some creativity, a few materials you probably already have at home, and a dash of love, you can create stunning decorations that will definitely set the mood for love. Stay tuned and learn how to create beautiful Valentine's Day decorations on your own. First on our list is the classic paper heart chain. This elegant yet straightforward craft is such a charming way to add a touch of love to your surroundings. Perfect for Valentine's Day, or any day you want to spread a little love. Let's get started. You'll need some basic materials for this project. Grab some colored paper or cardstock in your favorite shades of red, pink, or any color that speaks to your heart. You'll also need a pair of scissors, a pencil, and some glue or tape. And last but not least, a piece of string or ribbon to hang your chain. Begin by folding your paper in half. Use your pencil to draw half a heart on the folded edge. This will ensure both sides of the heart are symmetrical when cut out. Now, cut along the line you've drawn, unfold your paper, and voila, you have your first heart. Now, here's where the chain part comes in. Fold your next piece of paper, but this time, before you cut, slip the folded edge inside the first heart you've made. Then draw your half heart, cut it out, and unfold. You'll find that the two hearts are linked, forming the first link of your chain. Repeat this process, linking one heart to the next until your chain is as long as you desire. Once you've finished, secure the last heart with a dab of glue or a piece of tape to make sure it stays in place. Thread your string or ribbon through the top of the hearts, and your paper heart chain is ready to hang. What's wonderful about this decoration is its versatility. Drape it across a window to catch the light, hang it along a wall for a festive touch, or even wrap it around furniture for a whimsical twist. You can make it as long or as short as you need, and in whatever colors you love most. And there you have it, your very own paper heart chain. Simple yet festive. A lovingly made decoration that's sure to fill your space with warmth and affection. Next up, we have the love letter garland. This charming decoration is a beautiful way to express your love and appreciation for the special people in your life. And it's also a delightful addition to any Valentine's Day decor. Let's start with the materials you'll need. Gather some craft paper of your choice, a pair of scissors, a hole punch, a pen, and some string. And of course, you'll need your heartfelt words to fill these letters. First, decide on the size and shape of your letters. You can make them as big or as small as you want, and they can be any shape you like. Once you've decided, cut out your letters from the craft paper. You can use a stencil for this if you want to ensure they're all the same size and shape. Next, use your pen to write your love letters. These can be as long or as short as you'd like. They could be simple messages of love and appreciation, or they could be longer, more personal letters. This is your chance to put your feelings into words, so be as expressive as you want to be. Once you've written your letters, use your hole punch to make a hole at the top of each one. Then, thread your string through the holes to create your garland. You can space the letters out evenly, or you can cluster them together for a more whimsical look. And there you have it. Your love letter garland is complete. This unique decoration adds a personal touch to any space, and it's a wonderful way to celebrate the season of love. Hang it up in your home or give it as a gift to someone special. So give it a try. Let your creativity flow and create your very own love letter garland. It's a fun and meaningful way to express your love this Valentine's Day. Voila! Your love letter garland is ready to spread the message of love. Now let's move on to creating a heart-shaped wreath. A heart-shaped wreath is not just a decoration, it's a statement of love and warmth. It's a welcoming sign that tells everyone who passes by, here resides a heart that cherishes love. So let's begin crafting this symbol of affection. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a heart-shaped wire frame, which you can find at any craft store. Next, you'll need an assortment of flowers. Choose flowers in shades of red, pink, and white to keep with the Valentine's theme. You'll also need some greenery to add a touch of nature's charm. Lastly, don't forget the floral wire and the wire cutters. Now that we have everything, let's start with the fun part, arranging the flowers. You can start by cutting the flowers and greenery to your desired length. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't aim for uniformity, let's make it eclectic and lively. Next, take the heart-shaped wire frame and start attaching the flowers and greenery. You can use the floral wire to secure them. Start from the bottom and work your way up, alternating between flowers and greenery. The trick is to mix and match. There's no right or wrong way to do it. As you progress, you'll notice your heart-shaped wreath coming to life. It's like painting a canvas with nature's palette. Every flower, every leaf is a brushstroke of love. Once you're happy with how it looks, secure any loose ends with the floral wire. Make sure everything is firmly attached. You don't want any petals falling off when you hang it on your door or wall. And voila! You've created a beautiful heart-shaped wreath. It's a testament to your creativity, your love for beauty, and your welcoming spirit. Every time you look at it, you'll be reminded of the love and warmth that resides in your heart. And there you go. A beautiful heart-shaped wreath to welcome love into your space. Finally, we'll make a mason jar candle holder. This is a delightful decoration that will add a warm, romantic glow to any room. It's a simple project, but the end result is absolutely charming. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a mason jar, a small pillar candle, and some lace or ribbon. You might also want to include some small pebbles or sand, and maybe even a few heart-shaped stickers to give it that extra touch of Valentine's Day spirit. Start by cleaning your mason jar thoroughly. You want your candle holder to be as clear and sparkling as possible. Once it's clean and dry, you can start decorating. If you want to add stickers, now's the time to do it. You can arrange them in any pattern you like on the outside of the jar. Next, cut a length of lace or ribbon that's long enough to wrap around the rim of the jar. Secure it with a bit of hot glue, being careful not to burn yourself. This will give your candle holder a lovely vintage touch. If you've chosen to use pebbles or sand, pour them into the bottom of the jar now. They'll help to anchor your candle and add a nice, natural element to your decoration. Now, it's time to add your candle. Make sure it's a good fit. It should sit securely in the jar without wobbling around. If it's a bit too small, you can add a bit more sand or pebbles to make it stable. And there you have it. Your mason jar candle holder is ready to light up your Valentine's Day. This decoration is not only beautiful, but it's also a symbol of the warmth and love that this special day represents. Whether you place it on your dining table, your mantelpiece, or your bedside table, it's sure to add a romantic touch to your Valentine's Day decor. So those were some easy and affordable DIY Valentine's Day decorations. We began our creative journey with the charming paper heart chain, a delightful addition to any space. Next, we crafted the love letter garland, a nostalgic and heartwarming display of affection. Then we moved on to the heart-shaped wreath, an iconic symbol of love, perfect for your front door or living room wall. And finally, we ended with the mason jar candle holder, a warm and cozy touch for a romantic evening. Each of these decorations not only adds a festive touch to your home, but also a personal one, as they are made with your own two hands. So why not give it a go? Play around with different colors, materials, and designs. Let your creativity run wild, and most importantly, have fun while doing it. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the love and thought you put into it. Happy decorating and have a wonderful Valentine's Day.